Hello friends, welcome to Bhalotia online classes. Friends, today we will talk about some of the questions, and those are related to the algebra. Okay, and we will see like how those can be solved. Okay, and then we will also solve them with the trick. Okay, so first we will see like with the normal procedure, and then we will see like how we can solve them very quickly, like in 2 to 5 seconds, like how we can solve those type of questions. Okay, so friends, let's start. Okay, so first question is like x plus 1 upon x is given, that is 1, then value of x cube. Okay, so friends, see like we will see like two important questions here. If x plus 1 equal to x plus 1 upon x equal to 1 is given, or minus 1 is given. Okay, equal to minus 1 is given. So in both cases they may ask the value of x cube. Okay, so we have already like seen in the previous videos, and I'll also repeat that here. Like there is one formula: if x plus 1 upon x is given and x key power 3, x power 3 plus 1 upon x power 3 equal to, like we have to find. Okay, so for that, if this is given and we have to find this one, then there is one formula, because here see we have to find x raised to the power 3. So we will use that formula, and that formula was n raised to the power 3 minus 3n. Okay, so this is equal to this. If this is equal to n, then x cube plus 1 upon x cube equal to n raised to the power 3 minus 3n. This is the formula. Okay, so we will just use this formula and then we'll see. Okay, so what is the value of n? N equal to 1, right? So 1 raised to the power 3 and then minus 3 into 1. Okay, so we got minus 2. Okay, how? Like 1 raised to the power 3 means 1 and minus 3, so that is equal to minus 2. Okay, so we got the value of like x cube plus 1 upon x cube, and that is equal to minus 2. Okay, so that is what we got. Now what we will do, like we have to find out value of x cube, right? So what we will do, just take the like LCM, okay, of left hand side, and bring this 2 on the left hand side as well. So what it will become, like x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so it will become like this, right? And now we will take LCM, and LCM will be like x cube. So we will just multiply this this x cube with x cube, so it will become x raised to the power 6 plus 1 and plus 2 x cube equal to 0. So this, like this is this part will go on the right hand side and it will be multiplied by 0. So our formula will become, like our final equation will become like this: x raised to the power 6 plus 2x cube plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so this is our formula, and here we know, like let's assume x raised to the power 3 equal to let's say p. Okay, so we know the formula, right? What is that formula? If we will put x raised to the power 3 equal to p, then what it will become, like p square plus 2p plus 1 equal to 0, right? And we know this is p plus 1 raised to the power 2. Okay, so this is the formula of p plus 1 raised to the power 2, right, equal to 0, because a plus b raised to the a plus b raised to the power 2, it means a square plus b square plus 2ab, so it is the same one, right? So we can write this one as p plus 1 raised to the power 2, so it will become 0. And here if we will take a root on both the sides, so p plus 1 equal to 0, and it will become p equal to minus 1. Okay, so what was our p? P was, like what we assume, p was x raised to the power 3. So x raised to the power 3 equal to minus 1. Okay, so guys, like this is the way to solve it, and now you have to keep this in mind. If x plus 1 upon x is given equal to 1, okay, then x cube equal to minus 1. So keep this always in mind. If this is plus 1, then it will come as minus 1, if this is minus 1, then it will come as plus 1. Okay, so that thing in the next question we will see that, but I just solved it for you, so you can just like keep this in mind, and we will see. And if there are questions like based on this, there in the like some important questions, okay, so we will solve those questions as well. If you remember this directly, then it will take like only few seconds. If you don't remember this one, then it may take like a lot of time. Okay, and in competitive exam you do not have that time. So in the next question, let's see the next question. So what is next question? In the same way we will solve this one as well. Okay, x plus 1 upon x equal to minus 1. So we know what will be the answer. X cube equal to 1. Okay, if minus 1 is given, then x cube will become 1. Okay, in the same way we will resolve it. So how we will resolve it? See, x, we know the formula of x cube plus 1 upon x cube, right? So x cube plus 1 upon x cube will become equal to n cube minus 3n, right? So this is our formula for x cube. And now let's put the value of n is equal to minus 1. This is n, right? So n equal to minus 1. So if we will put that n equal to minus 1 in this equation, so it will become minus 1 raised to the power 3 minus 3 and then minus 1, right? So it will become like this will become plus 2. Okay, sorry, plus 3, and this minus 1 plus 3. So it will become 2. Okay, so this like x cube plus 1 upon x cube, x cube plus 1 upon x cube equal to 2. Okay, again we will do the same thing. We will take the LCM and we'll move this 2 on the right hand side. So it will become x raised to the power 6 plus 1 and minus 2 x cube equal to 0. Okay, so how we get it? Like we just took the LCM and then moved this 2 on the left hand side. So, and here also again let x cube equal to p, right? If we assume that x cube equal to p, then what it will become? It will become again the formula like p square plus 1 minus 2p, okay, equal to 0. And we know this is the formula for a minus b raised to the power 2, right? So it is the formula of p minus 1 raised to the power 2 equal to 0, right? This is the formula, and then equal to 0. So if we will take root both on both the sides, so it will become p minus 1 equal to 0 and p will become 1. Okay, so guys here, and what was our p? Like p was our x cube, right? We assume p as x cube here. So x cube equal to what is x cube? 1. Okay, so if minus 1 is given, then x cube will become 1, and if plus 1 is given, x cube will become minus 1. Okay, so this is, guys, here do not get confused. Suppose like if you will try to solve it in reverse way, it will give you wrong answer. Okay, because if you will think like if you will take like a root cube then on the both of the sides, okay, so what it will become if you will take this one? So you will think like x equal to 1, and x equal to 1 will not satisfy your equation, main equation, x plus 1 upon x equal to what was given, minus 1. It is not satisfying this one, right? So guys, see the imaginary, like there are 3 roots of, in this case there are 3 values of x. If we will take like the 3 root cube, okay, of x, okay, then there will be, and 3 root cube of 1, then there will be like 3 values. One is like imaginary, one is the like real value, and 2 are the imaginary value. So in this case real value is not satisfying this one. Okay, if you will assume like x equal to 1, it won't satisfy, and the imaginary value, and then we are doing the square and then cube, so that is satisfying this one. Okay, so if x plus 1 upon x equal to minus 1, then keep this in mind, x cube will become 1. Okay guys, so sorry these questions took like a lot of time, but just to clear you like the basic of these 2 questions, now if you know these, then it will become very easy to solve the like questions given in the like next pages. Okay, so here see what is given, x plus 1 upon x equal to 1. and we have to solve the value of x raised to the power 45 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 45. If this is given, we know from the previous question, right? So if we already know, then we do not need to solve it again. X cube, what will become x cube? Plus 1 is given, right? So it will become minus 1. So we know from the previous question x cube equal to minus 1. So what will become x raised to the power 45 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 45? How we can write this one? See, x raised to the power 45. So can we write in this way? X raised to the power 3 and then 15. Okay, and again the same thing for this one, x raised to the power 3 and then 15, right? Equal to, we have to find x raised to the power 3, we know it is minus 1. So minus 1 raised to the power 15 plus 1 upon minus 1 raised to the power 15 equal to, this will become minus 1, right? Because the powers are odd, and then again plus 1 upon minus 1, right? Equal to, so what it will become? Minus 1, and then this plus minus will become minus 1. So your answer will be minus 2. See guys, this is very easy. Like if you know the value of x cube in this case, it will become very easy for you. Okay, so let's move to the next question. And here x plus 1 upon x equal to minus 1. Okay, then value of x raised to the power 51 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 51. Again guys, see, minus 1 is given, then x cube will become 1, right? And again we will break it in x raised to the power 3 and then 17 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 3 and power 17. Okay, so x raised to the power 3 means 1. Okay, so here we will put 1 raised to the power 17 will become 1, and then again 1, and 1 raised to the power 17 will become 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, so it is very easy. See, like you just have to think and you just have to keep this in mind. Okay, x cube equal to 1, then it will become very easy for you to solve this type of questions. Okay, moving to next one. Here also what is given? Minus 1. Okay, so we know x cube will become 1. X cube equal to 1. X is not equal to 1 here guys, that keep in mind. You may get confused, like x cube equal to 1, then x will also become 1. That's not true. Okay, that's not always true. Okay, x cube is 1. So here we will break this one. How we can write that? X raised to the power 50. Okay, can we write in this way, like x raised to the power 48 into x square, right? Because if the base is same, then powers get added. Okay, so we will break it in this way, and x raised to the power 48, and then again the same thing for the remainder as well. So here as well, x raised to the power 48 and then x raised to the power 2. Okay, so what it will become? X raised to the power 48 means, how we can write this 48? So we can write like x raised to the power 3 and then raised to the power 16, or into x square plus 1 upon x raised to the power 3 16 into x square. Okay, so see, x raised to the power 3 equal to 1, right? 1 raised to the power 16, it will become 1 into x square, so it will become x square, and on the same thing will become here as well. Okay, x square. So this is the like thing we have to find. Okay, so we have to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, and that we know from our like formulas. That is very easy. Here plus plus plus. Okay, here plus is given and plus is asked. So plus is given, then formula is n square minus 2 for the square, n square minus 2, and n's value is, what is the n's value? N's value is minus 1. So minus 1 raised to the power square minus 2. So that will become minus 1. So your answer will be minus 1. Okay guys, so hope it is clear. Let's move to the next question, and that is x plus 1 upon x equal to minus 1. Then x raised to the power 52 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 52. Again, you know, like minus 1 is given, so x cube will become 1, right? X cube will become 1, and if you know this, you can easily solve this one. Else guys, you will get confused, like how you will find out 52. Okay, so it will become easy for you, and how you will solve it? Again we will break it. So how we can break it? x raised to the power 51 into x raised to the power 1 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 51 into x raised to the power 1, right? How? Because base is same, power will get added, so total powers are 52. That's how we will break it. And in the next step, this 51, see 51 x raised to the power 3 and then raised to the power 17, x raised to the power 3 raised to the power 17 into x plus 1 upon x raised to the power 3 to the power 17 into x, right? X raised to the power 1 over x. So this is 1, right? 1 raised to the power 17, it will become 1. So it will remain like x plus 1 upon x, because this will also become 1. So x plus 1 upon x. So finally we have to find the value of this one, and it's already given here. It's minus 1, right? So your answer will be minus 1 in this case. Okay guys, so hope this is also clear to you. If you have any doubt or anything like related to this, just write down in the comment and we can discuss over there. Okay, so let's discuss the next question. That is x plus 1 upon x equal to 1. Okay, so what will be value of x cube? X cube will become minus 1, right? Plus 1 is given, so x cube will become minus 1. And we will break it in the same way. So it will become x raised to the power 51. Why we are breaking in 51? So we want to like make it nearest factor of 3. That's why we are breaking it. Okay, x raised to the power 51 into x. Plus again x raised to the power 46, we will break it into like x raised to the power 45 into x. So it will become x raised to the power 3 and then raised to the power 17, right? And into x plus 1 upon x raised to the power 3 raised to the power 15, right? And then x. So what it will become? X cube equal to minus 1 raised to the power 17 odd powers, right? So it will become minus 1, okay, into x plus here also the powers are odd, so it will become minus 1, right? So 1 upon minus 1 into x. So let's take the minus outside from both the sides, okay, I mean from both the factors. So we will just take minus 1 outside, so it will remain x plus 1 upon x. Actually we have to find the value of x plus 1 upon x. That is already given, right? That is 1, and then minus 1 is outside, so minus 1 into 1. Your answer will be minus 1 in this case. Okay, so it was easy, like just to like explain you, I have broken it in these kind of power, but if you already know, you can just like put the values directly here. It will become 17 x raised to the power 3 into 17, okay, and then 17, that will become like minus 1. Minus 1 means like x, okay, so minus x, and same way here also it will become minus 1 upon x. Okay, let's keep that like minus 1 outside, so it x plus 1 upon x. So your answer will be like minus 1 into 1, so that will be minus 1. Okay, it was very easy. So just to explain you, I'm just writing these here. So in the next question, x plus 1 upon x is given and we have to find the square, okay, value of square. So here what is given? Plus. So guys, we know that, and I have like explained that in 3-4 videos, and you can see that like if plus is given, then value of square will become minus, okay. So n square minus 2, we will put minus here. If plus is given, we will put minus here. If minus is given here, we will put plus here, okay. That's the trick you have to keep in mind. So n square minus 2, right? N square minus 2, we know the value of n. What is n? N equal to 3. So 9, 3 raised to the power 2, 9 minus 2, that will become 7. So your answer will be 7. Okay, let's move to the next one. That is x minus 1 upon x is given, and that is 2. Okay, and we have to find the value of square. So guys, see here minus 1 is given. So in the case of square, what will be the formula? That will be n square plus 2. Because why? Because minus 1 is given. That's why we are putting plus here. So n square plus 2. What will be the value of n? N is given as 2, right? So we will 2 raised to the power 2, okay, so that will become 4 plus 2, so our answer will be 6. Okay guys, so it was very easy. If you remember these kind of tricks, I mean, then it will become very easy, else it will become very tough to like do the squares and all. So here next question, x plus 1 upon x is given equal to 3, then you have to find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Okay, so plus is given and we know the formula of cube, and that is n cube, and we will put something like sign here, and then plus or minus, like let's assume like this, and then 3n. So again plus is given, we will put minus. Okay, so our formula is n cube minus 3n for the cube. So these are the two formulas, like for plus and minus, you can easily keep those in mind. Okay, and it will become very easy for you guys to like solve this kind of question. So x cube plus 1 upon x cube, let's put the value of n raised to the power 3. Okay, so 3 raised to the power 3 minus 3 into 3, so that is 27 minus 9. So 27 minus 9 equal to 18. So your answer is 18. Okay, let's move to the next question. Here minus 1 is given and minus cube is asked. Okay, so again we will solve in the same way. If minus is given, what will be the formula for cube? What will be the formula for x cube minus 1 upon x cube? That will be n cube minus or plus, it will become plus 3n, because minus is given. So this is the formula for cube. Okay, and how what is the value of n? N value is 2. Okay, so 2 raised to the power 3, that will become 8, plus 2 raised to the 2 into 3, so that will become 6. So your answer will be 14. Okay, so 14 is your answer in this case. Let's move to the next one. X plus 1 upon x is given, and x raised to the power 100 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 100 is asked. So guys, if you will see like powers are 100, then it will become very tough, okay, for you, like if you will see at first glance. Okay, so don't get confused here. We will do it by short trick. Okay, so in the algebra guys, you have to first think about the short trick. In all the competitive exam, you have to think like what can be the value of x. Okay, what we can put the value of x. Okay, so here what we can put the value of x equal to 1, right? It will become 1 plus 1 upon 1 equal to, like see, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, so it is satisfying, so we can put the value of x equal to 1. Let's put the same value here as well. X raised to the power 100, that will become 1 raised to the power 100, and then 1 upon 1 raised to the power 100. So that will become 1 plus 1, right? So your answer will be 2, because power 100 or whatever power we will put, like 1 will always remain 1. Okay, so that is your answer. Okay, let's move to the next one. That is like x plus 1 upon x is given, and then x cube plus 1 upon x cube is x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 is asked. Okay, so how we will solve it? Again we will think about the short trick here. So what we can put? Can we put 1? First try with the like integer number or whole numbers. Okay, so can we put 1 plus 1 2? No, it won't work. Can we put 2? Think in that way. If positive number is given, so we will try with the positive integers. Can we put 2 plus 1 upon 2? Yes, that is equal to 5 by 2. So it is satisfying, because 2 into 2 4 plus 1 5 by 2. Okay, so it will become 5 by 2. So we can put x equal to 2. X equal to 2 should satisfy it. Okay, so we will just put the value of x in this equation, and what it will become? 2 raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 4, right? So that's the that is our answer. Just solve it. 2 raised to the power 4 means 16 plus 1 upon 16, right? So what is 16 into 16? Okay, 16 into 16 is 196, right? No, 160 and 96, that will become 160 96, that will become 6 5 and 2 256. Okay guys, sorry, it will become 256. So our answer will be 256 plus 1 by 16. So that will become 257 by 16. So that is our answer in this case. Okay, let's move to the next one. Here what is given? X cube plus 1 upon x x raised to the power 30 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 30 is given equal to 2, and this is asked. Okay, so how we will solve it? Again, see how we will solve it, guys. Here also we can just try to putting some values. X equal to 1 we can put, right? 1 raised to the power 30 plus 1 upon 1 raised to the power 30, and that will become 2, right? So we can put x equal to 1. We can put the value of x equal to 1. So what will be our answer in this case? Okay, what will be our answer? Like 1 raised to the power 300, right? So 1 raised to the power 300 plus 1 upon 1 raised to the power 300. So whatever power we will put, it will always remain 1. So 1 plus 1, our answer will be 2. Okay guys, so we have taken like from the sort trick as well, and from like what we should put, and that kind of question we are solving here. Next one, okay, x raised to the power 16 plus 1 upon 16 is given. So again the same thing, right? We can put x equal to 1. By looking into this, you can just see, and we can just put that power here. Okay, x raised to the power 16, so that will become 1, and minus x raised to 1 upon x raised to the power 16, we can always put 1 here, right? I mean, because we know x equal to 1. So 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, your answer will be 0. Okay guys, so these are all our questions, like 15 questions based on the like algebra tricks. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video, and just subscribe our channel, and if you enjoyed this video, just like it, okay, and share it with your friends. Thanks for